members of the royalty, members of the ducal families, members of the nobility, members of the Provisional Council, members of the citizenry, royal cousins, allies, ladies and gentlemen. I send you my greetings as we herald a new beginning. A year has passed, and a year will begin once again. Today's occasion calls on us to look back at the many things we have achieved and the memories we have made over the past 12 months. Over the course of this year, our nation has climbed ranks to become one dignified and respected kingdom. With our loyal citizenry and circle of diplomatic alliances, we have gained people committed to our national purpose and also have gained access to input from like-minded individuals, which shall further our patrimony, self-determination, and liberty, which is what we mainly seek to achieve for ourselves. As we have gone through highs and lows these past 365 days, we have determined what matters to ourselves: family, socialization, and health. While socialization has been hindered substantially by many circumstances, most notably the coronavirus pandemic, through this nation we have found a sense of camaraderie and belonging, and with that, unity as a people, ready to face any hardship or challenge. I ask you to hold on to that pride of being part of the Novohierosolymian story in your hearts. The last 8,760 hours of our lives have surely left an indelible mark on us all, and I would like to congratulate all of you for making it to the end of this amazing journey. As we embark on another 525,600-minute long ride, I call upon you to look forward, forward to a better future, forward to a new dawn. Let us herald this new year with a strong hope that one day the sun shall rise and the long darkness will end. I wish you all a prosperous new year, and may God shower His grace upon us all.